guys, so today I wanted to share with you some different hairstyles I do, and I won't sugarcoat it. It's really hard. It's really hard to style short hair, especially with bangs, and this short I can't do much. But I wanted to show you guys some of my hairstyles and what I like to do. Some of them are the same or pretty similar, it's just like a different technique, and it just kind of depends on what length your hair is at. So the products I will be using throughout this video are bobby pins, a scrunchie, and I prefer using a black scrunchie just because I have brown hair, and when I do a bun it kind of looks like it's the rest of my hair. Like, you can kind of see the scrunchie, but it just blends in a little bit better. I use a headband, just a simple headband. I think this one's from Forever 21. Got it years ago. And then a silk scarf as well. So if you want to recreate some of my hair looks, then just keep on watching. So the first look I want to show you guys is my all natural look. This is just getting out of the shower and letting my hair air dry. I did apply my Rock-A-Wave curl cream from Eva, New York City, and that is just the natural wave and look that I get. So for the first actual hairstyle, I just use a scrunchie and I create a half updo, like a top knot with my scrunchie, and I like using a black scrunchie since it looks like it's my hair and it just kind of blends in better, but you can totally use a pattern scrunchie if you're into that. The next look is kind of the same concept, except it's trying to recreate a little bun. More than anything with having short hair, I just miss a good bun or ponytail. I want to wear my hair in a bun or ponytail so many times, so I just use the scrunchie, I pull my hair back, and I use bobby pins to secure my loose hairs, and many bobby pins are used for this hair look as well. This next hairstyle is for all my girls who have bangs and just want them out of their face for once in a while. Just, you know, sometimes I get sick of them. So I split my hair down the middle and I start braiding, but pulling the section of my hair that's in front of my face, not touching the back part of my hair, and I just braid that down so it goes behind my ear, and then I will take a bobby pin and pin it right behind my ear. So I will just go ahead and do that on the other side, and you guys can see how I do it. With this hair look, I do like having the rest of my hair be kind of curly or messy. I didn't curl my hair in this video because I didn't want to apply heat to my hair for the sake of a video, but if you guys want to see how I do curl my hair, I do have 3 different types of ways that I curl my hair in another video, and I will link that down below. So for the same look, you keep those braids, and I will take a small elastic band and tie the rest of my hair back, and again bobby pin any flyaways or parts that are falling out, and it just creates a nice updo while getting my bangs out of my face and the rest of my hair off of the back of my neck. So this is just an easy look, taking a headband, putting it over my head, and then just fixing out any parts that I want to keep out of the headband, and yeah, pretty simple. So same headband, I just applied it over my head and I pull down the pieces so I don't look like a mushroom, and I take the front pieces of my hair and just tuck it behind the headband. I will do this to both sides, and this just creates an illusion that I did a like half updo, but you know, with short hair there's not much we can do. We gotta work with what we got. So next I am taking my silk scarf and I am just folding it and rolling it so it's like thinner, and then kind of with the same headband concept I just tied it and front pieces back, and this is totally optional, but I like to tuck my hair behind my ears
Sometimes, especially in the summer, it's a nice way to get your hair out of your face and just get everything out. When I would get back from the beach, I would actually put my bangs back as well, but since my bangs are dry, I will just let them out, but you can have them tucked in or tucked out, whatever you prefer. This right here I call my Grandma Victoria look, and really because this is my Grandma Victoria, I just take the silk scarf and I fold it in half and then like a triangle, and then I just tie it and just have it kind of like this. If I'm doing a hair mask and I need to go out in public, I will literally wear my hair like this, or it's really great for the summertime, just something very casual and simple. Next is just like that first hairstyle, except I'm taking back all of my hair, so I'm not having any of my bangs down. And I'm also going to take a bobby pin to secure the top of my bangs, just in case. I do this for work like almost every day. This is seriously my go-to hairstyle and the hairstyle I do the most. So this hairstyle is just really simple. I just parted it down the side, and I'm going to take bobby pins and pin back my bangs. I like doing this hairstyle if my bangs are getting too long and they're not bangs anymore, but I just want to get them out of my face. I really like doing this and recreating this look. It's a lot easier to part your hair like this if you just got out of the shower, so your hair does dry that way, but since I didn't, I will use bobby pins instead. But that is it for all of my hairstyle videos. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what other videos you guys like to see. Bye!